All right, Dad, I'm fed up. Now, where is the leg?
Well, I don't know if I can speak to that. I was told to zip it.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Texas A&M Forest Service for Wichita County. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles southwest of Burke Burnett, and a second dangerous wildfire was located 12 miles west-northwest of Wichita Falls near Highway 287. Both will shift their spread to the east-southeast shortly. Areas impacted: West Wichita Falls and Highway 287. Additional information: expect dangerous conditions due to a northwesterly wind shift. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.
He did it! He took the leg! It was his idea!